your Quickweave eats down before you even done anything to it. Eats down. This is, ooh, when your Quickweave is eating down before you've done anything to it. Give me a second. So this is what I got for my leave out right here. This is all that I'm leaving out. I put some mousse on it and a little bit of Eco Styler gel for the end so it'll curl. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 5 braids in the back. I left this little piece out back here because I'm going to leave that out as well. I'm about to put my stocking, I crocheted this into the braid. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and apply my stocking cap right on the edge. I just almost did it wrong. So I figured that if I almost did it wrong, I can't be the only one. So you want to take that stocking cap and pull it over your ears and cut some little ear tabs that your ear can fit through it. So you can also see through the stocking cap like this. And then you're going to take your spray on the perimeter only for right now, because we want to make it stick. And that's where you're going to spray. Control your spray. And then I'm going to take my Wavy Talk blow dryer, because we're going to do that around the whole thing. And this is going to be sponsored by Luv Me. They sent me over four bundles of 30, get into the length, 30-inch of messy curl. I have 4 bundles of these beautiful curls, okay? Now, they are a little thin on the ends, I'm not even gonna lie. But I'm kind of not mad at that, only because I'm gonna have to cut it anyway. And I won't feel like I'm cutting off a lot because they're thin, okay? I'm putting all 4 in my head. All 4. Okay? I got 4 of those. This is my first time using this glue. I heard this really well. I am a 30-second Salon Pro user. I'm using this for the first time. I'll let you know if I like it. My hair has already been molded down. This is what I'm doing. This is what I have. Okay. I left a little perimeter out in the back. I have 5 braids underneath here. Left this out. Okay. Because this is going to blend in with the curls. I am going to begin to glue my tracks. And I am just going to come around like so, like this. Until I get to like right here. Let me show you. 1 second. I'm not sewing. Sewing takes too long. I'm doing a quick weave of Ivy's method. Let me see that. So, maybe from about here to here, we're going to glue these tracks a different type of way. I'm just going to mark this out. My nose is running. I'm just going to mark these out so I can see. Okay. Now, she usually do about this much. I'm a little extra. I'm going to go a little further. Okay. Okay. So, from about right here to right here, we're not putting any tracks right there for the moment. Okay. You see that? You see my line? We're quick weaving the entire head. And except for this little pink mark out right here, we're not putting any type of tracks. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll come back midway to show you what I've done. If you don't know how to do a quick weave, there's so many videos out there. But this is not going to be one of them. I'm telling you, you're gluing at a U angle. I don't know yet. I'll let you know what I do. Let me get started. Give me a second. This is some gorgeous hair. Thin on the ends, but we focusing more on the curl. Soft. There's no smell. Smell like hair. The tracks is thicker at the top than it is at the bottom, which I don't mind because when I put this in, I'm going to have to trim it. And it is like a brownish tint, so if you want jet black, you have to dye jet black. This is what it looks like. Super cute. Super curly. I love this curl pattern. This is really cute. I did the damn thing. You did Diana. Singing and dancing all in the rain. So this is how I've been laying the track so far. See that? In a kind of U motion, but not a lot of curve. Remember, I marked this out. I think I marked out too much, but I want the length. I like the length. Okay? I just think I marked out too much for the width. So what I'm going to do is start laying the track, but I'm not going to go inside the box. Okay? See this box right here? We're not going inside that box. We're going to continue to lay our tracks, but we're not going to go inside the box. So when I get right here, my track will start right here. When I get right here, track will start right here. We're not going inside the box. Inside the box is the don't touch limit. Don't go inside the box. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll be back. You're my lady. You're my lady. You're my lady. You're my lady. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I'm still on the 3rd pack. But when I get right here, I'm actually going to start going straight across until I get to my pink line. So I'm going to go to about right here. And yeah, we're going to start laying them straight. And then I should have just this much left when I get everything done. So I'll be back when I get to that part. Come on, hair. Come on, hair. I'm on my last pack. I still got one full pack left. This is what I have left in my hair. I probably will have some left over. I changed my mind about doubling the tracks. They're really close together, but I changed my mind about doubling the tracks because I was scared I was going to run out of hair. Continue to lay them as close as I can to get as much on my little head as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and still put this in. And I'll let you know when I get to that part to show you how we're going to do the IV flip over method. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. As you can see, I still got a gap from my leave outs to right here and right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your tracks. I still have like a half a track and just a little bit more left over out of the 4 packs. And you're going to take the track and you have to lay these, according to ID, you have to lay these really close together, okay? So you're going to begin to go sideways with these tracks. So my first one is actually going to be about right here. I'm going to go from the part to the back of this track, which is about this long, and I'm doing this all the way across the head until I cannot get any further, and I'm literally just going straight across that way. It's all I'm going to do. And then you're probably like, how you going to close it off? I don't really know. How you going to close? I don't know how I'm going to close it off. We'll figure that out when we get there. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so this is how far I have got all over. I did exactly what I said I was going to do. I just laid the tracks going this way very close until I got to this little opening right here. This is all that I have left. See that? I'm going to put one more track going sideways. And I think the key to this is the key to making this seamless is to lay your tracks close together. If you've ever done an invisible part, that's how close you want to lay them, okay? So, can you see it? Right there. I'm going to pull my real hair forward because I don't want to glue anything. I'm going to lay it literally just right there. Right? Lay it. And blow dry just a bit. Make sure it's thick. Okay? And y'all, I literally, whatever. I have just 3 pieces of hair left. We did it. We got the 4 packs in there. This is literally what I have left out of 4 packs of hair. That's all. And I'm going to use them to close this up. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this one. Yep, we're just going to close it up the same exact. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to lay this one. Can you see? Hold on one second. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. This is all that's left. And I'm going to lay this one flat like this. The same way as I laid every other track right here. As you can see, it is seamless because I laid my tracks close together. Lay your tracks close together. Okay? And I still got just a little piece right there. Let me blow dry it. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm going to take another little piece. I only got 2 pieces left. Right? Let me see if this fits. And then, but I'm going to curve this one just a little bit to make it touch this right here. So it got a little extra length on it. So I'm going to curve it just a bit to make it touch. Okay? Fill in that gap. Curve it just a little bit to touch that. Okay? And literally, you have just that left. And I got one more track that I'm just going to lay dead flat right there. That's it. That's all. Y'all overcomplicate everything. It doesn't have to be so complicated. Why you have to go and make things so complicated? It don't have to get hard. And I got one more little piece of track. Literally, this is all I have out of 4 bundles left. And I'm just going to fill in that little gap right there. That's it. I'm just going to lay it Let me see how I want to lay it. Like that. I'm going to slant it just a little bit, just to make it fill in the gap. It don't got to be hard. Y'all make everything hard. Harder than what it has to be. I'm going to go right there. And I'm going to lay that right there. And what we don't have to worry about is it showing because you got leave out. The leave out is going to cover that. Okay? And just like that, we got 4 bundles of messy curl in our head. They look crazy right now, but it's not going to look crazy in a little bit. See that? You can flip it. Can I do a middle part if I wanted to? I can do a middle part. Can I do a side part if I wanted to? I could. Could I go deeper if I wanted to? That's the question. So if I wanted to come all the way over here, could I? Because I laid my tracks together. I can. If I want to do a half up, half down, I can. Okay. Come on, little part. See that? Because I laid my tracks very close together. I'm talking about very close together. Don't worry about the holding spray. I'm gonna get that out. We can. This is what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because they've been in for like 4 days. I ain't even hold them. In the meantime, in between time, what it look like? I'm going to wet it, comb it, I'm going to shape it, I'm going to coil it, and we're going to get into what this messy curl really look like once you wet it. Because this is the dry version. The dry version eats down, but the wet and then recurled version going to eat more. If you like just big hair, then this will work for you. Let's see if I can tuck that. Okay? This will work. This could work. This will work. But this is not the look I'm going for. So, it's not going to work for me. When your Quickweave eats down before you even done anything to it. Eats down. This is, ooh, when your Quickweave is eating down before you've done anything to it. Yes. This is 4 bundles. Before you do anything to it and it eats down. Yes. Yes. That's all. The older I get, it just looks better. I still need to trim it. I have not trimmed it yet. I never like my hair on the first day when I wet it. But day 2, 3, 4, and on until I wet it again, I'll be in love. It's like, It's so good. It's so good. It's too good.